been here on the behalf of English In.
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Assalamualaikum everyone.
I am Uzma Batul Mohammad Dishan.
I am Hermain Arshad Ali.
I am Inshallah Abed.
And I am Dia Zahra.
We have been here on the behalf of English In.
Today, I am thrilled to share my fascinating journey which I spent with English In. Yes, my beautiful journey. A journey which collected countless memories, a journey which helped me to make lots of friends, a journey which introduced me to wonderful teachers, and the momentous moment for me when this journey empowered me to speak English confidently.
So when I first enrolled in this institute, I had one goal to improve my language skills. What I did not expect was the incredible transformation that I would undergo, not just in the terms of English, but also as a person. Every lesson, every challenge, and every instructions has contributed to making me that who I am today. At the beginning, English felt like a mountain that I had to climb from that, and often second guessed of myself. And I was unsure and afraid of making mistakes. But over time, I began to realize that making mistakes are the part of this journey. Here in this institute, I found that safe space where I can make those mistakes and learn from them and grow. Thank you.
My journey was full of joy and excitement. If I talk about the fascinating environment of English, so it is peaceful environment. There is co-education, but nevertheless there is so many strictness. The parents were concerned about their children. They can send their children with satisfied mind. The teacher do not allow individual student to speak Urdu during class, and as well as do not permit communication between girl and boy. Not only this, but they also avoid the use of mobile during class. If I talk about the supportive teachers of English, so they are too cooperative with student, and also they motivate each student in class to participate in every function. This center has become the one and only center who taught me reality and gave me the good environment to be a good speaker. Thank you so much.
To this chapter of our life, I want to thank each and every one of you for being a big part of this journey. You have made this center feel like a second home. I will miss our daily interaction, inside jokes, and supportive community. The laughter filled moments and tough times, we have gone through all this as a team. I wish you all the best for the future. Thank you.
Thank you.